Sometimes we send video to our friends, but the problem is that it is very large in size, and it takes a long time to send. But after watching this video, you can easily compress your video and send it, and the quality of video will be the same. So let's get started. Open Play Store. Search Video Panda. Install the first one. Install this app. I have already installed, so I open it. Select the video you want to compress. I select a video to show you. Click on the next. Select the third option. This is the best option for video compressing and providing best quality to the video. And now click on compress. It will take 1 or 2 or 3 minutes, so I can forward it fast. After finishing, you can see the results, the original size and the compressed size, and the quality of video is equal. After finishing, don't forget to save the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.